Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve influencer marketing with AspireIQ, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what influencer marketing is and why it matters for brands. Next, familiarize yourself with AspireIQ as a platform designed to streamline influencer marketing efforts. Sign up for an AspireIQ account to access its features and tools. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your campaigns and performance metrics. Begin by defining your marketing goals. Determine what you want to achieve through influencer partnerships. Next, identify your target audience. Knowing who you want to reach will help you select the right influencers. Use the AspireIQ search tool to find influencers that align with your brand values and target demographic. Filter your search based on criteria such as audience size, engagement rate, and niche. Review influencer profiles to assess their content quality and audience engagement. Once you've shortlisted potential influencers, reach out to them through the platform. Create personalized messages to establish a connection and outline the potential partnership. Discuss campaign expectations, deliverables, and compensation to ensure mutual agreement. Utilize the campaign management tools within AspireIQ to track progress and communication. As influencers start creating content, monitor their posts and engage with them to boost visibility. After the campaign is live, analyze performance metrics using AspireIQ's analytics tools. Evaluate key performance indicators like reach, engagement, and conversions to measure success. Based on these insights, refine your strategies for future influencer collaborations. Finally, maintain relationships with influencers for potential future campaigns to build long-term partnerships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.